How to schedule text on iPhone. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you can't find it, swipe down from the home screen and search for Shortcuts. Tap Automation at the bottom. Then tap Create Personal Automation and choose time of day. Set the exact date and time you want your message sent. Then tap Next to continue. Tap Add Action in the search bar. Type Message, choose Send Message, type your message, then tap Recipients and select a contact. Hit Next when you're done. Review your automation carefully. Make sure Ask Before Running is turned off. This allows the message to send automatically, and then tap Done to save. Your iPhone must be unlocked at the scheduled time for the automation to run. You can also repeat the automation daily or weekly if needed. This method works best for reminders, check-ins, or routine messages. And that's it.